Well, again, it's Monday today, and I've been doing some homework basically all day. Actually, the whole last week, because I've been procrastinating. And it's not fun procrastinating. Actually, it is, never mind. So, I don't know what to talk about today. I haven't really been making videos for a really long time. And I actually wish that I could use my computer for videos, because I kind of have to hold it. I don't have patience to hold it straight, so it's jiggling. And yes, it's been really sunny outside this whole week. It's kind of weird because Oregon does not have warm weather, but it does today and all the other days. So I was going to show some artwork, but I have to hold the camera with one hand, that's alright. So, one of my artworks is, I really like this one here. So it's a cat from paper I made and two people right there. And then there's this one here. It's just abstract one. And I drew a boat. And then today I was working on so there's my cousin and I don't really look good too in this. Right there. I like how my cousin looks. I don't really like how I look. It's charcoal painted. And same as the cousin. But he is less painted. I think we should have some kind of theme today. I don't really have any theme. My theme could be popcorn. I just made kettle corn. And it smells here like kettle corn. It was really delicious. What should I say? I should make my next video outside. Probably. I think outside would be quite fun. Oh, I can't hold the camera anymore. Perché ti devo scaricare?
Quanti attacchi mi sbagliano?